Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Monday morning. I guess when you watch it, it's Tuesday morning. Anyway, we're back to typical old Florida. Nice and humid. Beautiful morning this morning. Humidity's down just a hair. Had a great day for Mother's Day yesterday, but today it's back to work. We have today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. Thursday morning, we're headed to Alabama. This weekend is our event with the Vance law firm and Paul Sr. from OCC. We're going to be at the show at the shed up there in Alabama. I will put details and links in the video below in case any of you guys are in that area. We're going to have a ride from, is it Trussville? Like I said, I'll put a link below. I don't want to tell you the wrong areas, but we're going to have a ride from a Harley dealership to the show in the shed and then hang out for the day. We'll be back on Sunday, so we'll ride up Thursday, be there Friday, Saturday, ride back Sunday, and then we're home for like 5 weeks, and maybe we can get some stuff done. But I can't get anything done out here talking to you, so it's time for some coffee, time for some work, and we'll see you guys here in a little bit. All right, another day in the books. 2 more days and we're off to Alabama. Today has literally just been in the computers all day trying to get things lined up. We did send another check out today to Kansas. Look for that announcement here in the next couple days on Facebook, but we were able to send out another Wrecked Rider Fund check today, so that's always exciting. And we've got another one we're working on right now as well, so hopefully we'll announce that here in the next day or two. But anyway, just doing a little bit as we can do it. But you know, somebody made a comment on one of our posts. You know, we give a $200 check to a wrecked rider. I mean, we're brand new, we're doing what we can do, and somebody literally made that comment. $200 ain't shit, it don't do nothing. Well, it's $200 more than you had before we sent you the $200. So I don't know about any of you, but if somebody sends me $200, I would be appreciative, because $200 is way better than no $100. So I mean, it sucks when you try to do something good and people can't even appreciate that you are just trying to help. Makes me sad. Makes me sad that our world is like that. I mean, if I need help and you guys give me $2, I'm going to be thankful you gave me $2, because that's $2 more than I had before we started on this. But anyway, a few things going on. We finally got these in. So, official world record. This one is Mama Badger's certificate. You can see it right there. I ordered these before we left on the trip because I hadn't taken the time to actually order our certificates. So I got a certificate for each one of us, Mama, myself, and Baby Badger. We have the big certificate, which is for support bikers, for putting the whole thing on. And then these are the participant certificates. And I got participant, say that 10 times fast, participant records for all of us. So we'll get to hang those up in our house or put them wherever we want. Excited to have those finally after all this time. It was a lot of hard work. We earned those certificates. Anyway, I posted, I don't know what's up with me lately, but I tend to be posting reels and stuff that get everybody up in arms. Sorry. But, you know, I like to ask questions that, you know, I know people have differing opinions on. I like to see what everybody's opinion is, kind of what the overall popular opinion. So I did a reel tonight. You've probably seen it on Facebook or YouTube or TikTok. But my question was, you guys have all seen I'm a Real Biker videos. I don't want to define what a biker is or a motorcycle enthusiast, but I did ask, so what is the difference between a biker and a motorcycle enthusiast? And the answers are pouring in. I just posted it a couple hours, so I will probably give you guys an update on where this all goes later on in the week. But as of right now, I've heard biker is a lifestyle. So I'm like, all right, what does that look like? I have heard that a motorcycle enthusiast just rides on weekends and trailers their bike to rallies and to Sturgis and everything. A real biker rides his bike every day. A real biker doesn't own anything but a motorcycle. A real biker rides 1,000 miles to Sturgis. That was literally one of the answers. A real biker rides out of his state versus just riding in the state. A motorcycle enthusiast only likes all brands, all motorcycles, doesn't matter. A biker is loyal to one brand and only rides one brand of motorcycle. That one was interesting to me. I would have never thought that that would be the definition of a biker. But anyway, these are just some of the answers I've gotten so far. It's literally been up 2 hours and got like 3,000 or 4,000 views. So I expect this is going to be one of those videos that's going to carry on for like the next 2 weeks. And people are going to be arguing and fighting over what a real biker is and what a motorcycle enthusiast is. I didn't mean to cause... Yeah, I did. I put it up there exactly for this. I want to know what everybody thinks. The whole point of social media, right, is to get people to interact with your posts. And I have found that I am exceptionally good at making posts that get people to interact with me. A lot of people hate me because they don't like the stuff I post. Or they don't like my position on it, and they really don't like it when they make a stupid answer and I call them out on it. But I think it's fun personally. I like to know what everybody's thoughts and opinions are. I don't ever get offended by them. You know, your thoughts and your opinions are your thoughts and opinions, just like my thoughts and my opinions are mine. So you can't take social media to heart, right? Everybody's going to have their own thoughts, their own opinions, and their own way of looking at things, and that's fine. Nobody says that you and I have to agree 100% on everything. One thing I can agree is I love to ride motorcycles. And if you love to ride motorcycles, then welcome to my channel, where it's pretty much all about motorcycles 24/7, 365, and a little bit of the Badger's life sprinkled in on there. Although, you know, as you guys know, I'm into video games, I'm into RC racing, I like hot rods, I like cars, I like to go see cool places, I like taking pictures of murals, I like long walks on the beach, sounds like a dating app thing, right? All right, guys, that's it for our Monday. What a fun video. This one was fun to do, but I can't wait to see all the answers for everybody. If you haven't yet, watch that little, it's a short on YouTube, it's a reel on Facebook, on both the Badgers and the Biker Lifestyle and Support Bikers page. And it's on TikTok too. Go over there, read the comments. I promise you will enjoy just reading the comments, and of course leave a comment below of what your opinion between a biker and a motorcycle enthusiast is. I don't care what you are. I like you if you ride motorcycles, so let's get together and ride motorcycles sometime. Alright guys, that is it. I will see you all tomorrow.